Hey, what's up, my people? Welcome to Comic PokaTv. Get ready for a hilarious compilation of funniest Nigerian comedy sound effects that will have you laughing out loud. If you love comedy and wild sound bites, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more laugh. Let's dive in and enjoy the madness.
Dissolve! Dissolve. God have mercy upon us. You get it? Okay. If you don't get it, forget about it. Right. I don't want peace. I want problems always.
It is smoky, boo.
Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy. We must learn a lesson. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people. This man. Oh, Mumu, not too much. Let be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them. A town hall different from Blue. Bulaba. You be Mumu. You think so you're wise? You are a Mumu man.
Continue.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Ah!
Chai!
You be Mumu. You think so you're wise? You are a Mumu man. You be. Aww. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.
Hey! I hear me, me, by me.